Good afternoon, children. Children, today we are going to learn a new lesson, that is lesson number 5, sticks. Okay, sticks introduction. What is the spelling of this? STYKZ. What is sticks? Children, this is new program, new application which we are going to learn today, and this is very interesting. Okay, children, see, this is an animation program. Okay, sticks is a stick figure animation program. In picture you can see on the slide, on screen you can see sticks are joined together, right? Okay, so we are going to give an animation to this figure. Fine. So it is very interesting. Now children, let's learn sticks. Okay. Now, sticks is a stick figure animation program. It is an open source software used to create animation. Okay. This is a basic animation we are going to learn in this software. Okay. How to give animation to this figure. Now children, see, you can download this from internet. Okay, go to Google, type the spelling STYKZ, sticks, download. Okay, and click on that. You will get so many options, and from that you click on the download option and sticks download. Then you will get the download option. There you click, then that file will get download in your download folder. Okay children, that I will teach you how to do it. Okay, now see, children, this is the screen of the sticks interface. When you open the sticks, this is the screen which comes. Okay, when you open sticks, see, we will see all these windows. What are these windows? There are 3 windows. There are 4 windows. Okay, different 4 windows. The main screen is there, which is a stage. Okay, below that there is a frame palette, then there is a property palette, then there is a controller palette, then there is a command palette. So these are the different windows. We will learn how to do it, how to use this all options and do the animation, give animation and make this program. Okay children, so see, the sticks use the sticks figure to create animation in document. Stick figure shows blue and yellow circle. In this picture you can see blue dots are there, right, and yellow dot is also there, and these all black sticks are joined together with these dots. Okay children, so this you will get on the screen. This is a default screen you will get, and then we are going to learn how to give an animation to this figure. Okay children, so now see here. Children, today we will see a sticks program. Okay, sticks introduction. First we have to download sticks. Okay, STYKZ. Now type here skits. Okay, sticks. See, you can see here sticks download. Okay, now you can click on this to download. Okay, I clicked on this to download the sticks. Then you get like this window, and here below you have a download option. You can see here. Okay, you just click on this download option, then your file will get download in your download folder, and then children, from download folder you have to run that file. Okay, you have to run, see, from downloads you can see like this file will come here. Okay, this you open and run. okay, and complete the process, then you will get the app on your desktop or in your folder. Okay, take your parents help to download this application. Now children, you can see here I have pinned it to the taskbar. Okay, you can see here on this taskbar, and on the desktop also you can see the sticks for the window. Okay, sticks program, sticks application. Now click on this sticks. This is the logo. Okay children, just click on this, double click on the sticks. Now you will get like this window. Okay, this is welcome center. You can see here welcome center. In this welcome center, okay, open a recent file. If you have any recent file, you can open it from this open folder. Open other, or this, if your previous file, you can open it from here. Okay, and when you want to create a new file in the sticks, you can create, see here, create a new document, default document or a blank document. Okay, we will open a default document. Just click on this default document. Now just see what is coming on the screen. Okay, this is a default document children. Okay, this is default document. You have got one figure on the screen. Okay, one figure on the screen and 3 windows. Okay, so we will see first what is this. Okay, which are these windows. Now first we will see the main sticks interface. Okay, now see here, this is the main window. This blank area is your stage. Okay, where you are going to give a animation. Okay children, now can you see your frame? This is a frame window. Okay, this is a frame palette. Here you can add a frame in which you are going to do animation of these sticks. Okay, now this is the figure property. This is a figure property window. Okay, and this is a command. These are the command window. Okay, this is command window. Here you have all the commands. Okay, and here, from here you can play your this program. Okay, whatever animation you are giving, you can play from this controller window. Just see here, in controller window we have a 3-4 options, right? Rewind option, play option, okay, and loop option and speed. Okay, you can minimize or increase or decrease the speed of your animation while playing. Okay, now children, first we will see, okay, what is this? This is a stick figure. Okay, this is a stick figure, right? You can see like sticks. These figures are made up of sticks. Okay, so what is this actually? The sticks uses a stick figure to create an animation in a document. Okay, when you create a document, the stick figures show in a blue, yellow and red circles. Okay, when you select it with the select tool, see here, this is select tool. Okay, this is select tool. When you select it with the select tool, the circles, the blue circles will become a red circles. Okay, and these red and yellow circles are called nodes. These red and yellow circles, you can call it nodes. Okay, nodes. And the black lines, these are the black lines which are called a segment. These black lines are called segment children. These segments are joined together, okay, to make one figure. Okay, one stick figure, right children? So this is select tool. See, you select this, click on the select tool and see what is to how it is working. Okay, you can just move his hand like this. See, it is so nice. Okay, so and here also you can move, click on this point and just like this too. Okay, so we can move these nodes using the select tool. Okay, using this select tool. And to select the segment, this segment means this black line, you select this one tool. Okay, subselect. Click on this subselect and click select this segment. Okay. Once you select the segment, children, you can see here in this property. Okay, property window, you get all the properties of that segment. Okay, what is the width, what is the length of the segment, what is the angle of the segment, you can change it from here. You want to change the width of the segment, see the changes, width is getting changed. Okay, I am increasing. Now I will decrease the segment change width. Now increase the length of the segment. See here, look at the figure and this. I am increasing the length. I am clicking here, my mouse, see here my mouse. Okay, increasing the length of the segment and decreasing the length of the segment. You can see here. Okay, now it has decreased. See, small. Okay, you can change the angle by clicking on this. See, the angle is changing. Okay, now keep it again like that. Okay, understood? So interesting. Okay, so these are the options for the selection. Okay, to select the nodes and to select the, this is to select the node, that point. Okay, blue point and this is to select the segment, means line. Okay, and this you can add more lines by clicking on this, add lines, and you can add a circle also. Okay, so these are the basic things which we are going to do. Now to add a more frames, we will click on this new frame. Okay, new frame, click on this new frame. Now can you see the new frame is added? Okay, here down in the frame box. Fine. Now we will start giving animation. Okay, now just see. Now you understood what are the basic things we are going to do here. Okay, now children, see here. Now just click on this and just move this hand down. Okay, now this we are doing in the second slide. Okay, now take a third slide and now click on the select and move this hand down. Okay, this is in the third slide. Okay, and you can see your onion skin. Okay, like this mark in this third slide. Now fourth slide, take a fourth slide. Now your figure is this in the fourth slide. Okay, in the fourth frame, you can move this. Okay, select this segment, see here. Okay, you can select the segment, or you can just move this leg by clicking on this like this and do like this. Okay, this is in the fourth frame. Okay, now we will see. Okay, now ahead, see. Okay, now we will just click on this. Now we have a 4 frames, right? Now we will click on the play and see the play window. Okay, play back, where we will get all the animation in the player. Okay, in the player video slide, in the sticks player. Okay, now here click on this play. First we will keep the speed little bit low. Okay, speed I will keep it 3. Then I will keep it on the loop. Loop means what? Loop is the option where you can play it again and again. Okay, click on the loop. I clicked on the loop and now play. And just see what is happening. How funny it is. Interesting. Understood? It is on the loop. And whatever we have done in all the slide, it is playing in the one player. It is playing in the one player. Okay, here is the stop button, here is the done button. You can click on this and stop. Okay, stop, this is stop and this is done. Done means the window will get closed. Children understood? This is very nice and interesting program which you try at home. Okay children, this is the sticks application, sticks program. Understood children? Try to do it. Very easy. Only select tool and this sub select tool you use and just do a first program in this. Okay children? Children, I hope you all understood how to use this sticks application. Okay, sticks program, animation program. It is so interesting. So today only you download this application, this program in your computer and start doing the first animation program. Okay children, have a nice day.